What's going on, guys? Today we're going to show you how to install your aluminum or titanium Mishimoto skid plate for the 2021 Plus BMW G80 M3. So let's get to it. This installation guide covers both the aluminum and titanium versions of the skid plate. The version we're installing in this video is titanium. First step is to raise the vehicle and place on jack stands per the OEM procedure in lift points. If using a jack or jack stands, ensure the vehicle is on a flat, level surface, then place wheel chocks on one of the rear wheels to prevent rolling. Next, use an 8mm socket and remove the 11 screws shown here. These may be 10mm on some models. Use an 8mm socket to remove the 14 screws shown here. These may be 10mm on some models. Then remove the stock plastic guard and splash shield from the vehicle. Next, remove the rubber air dam from the stock oil cooler. If installing the titanium version of the Mishimoto skid plate, proceed to step 5. If installing the aluminum version, skip to step 6. For step 5, install the air deflector as shown using the provided M5 bolts and tighten with a T25 Torx. For step 6, install the stock rubber air dam removed in step 4 onto the Mishimoto skid plate as shown. Next, you'll want to feed the front of the skid plate above the lower lip of the front bumper. Then use 2 of the stock screws in the rear holes to hold the skid plate up. Fasten the skid plate using the stock screws. Some screws will be replaced with the provided hardware. Just a side note, to make the alignment easier, partially thread all the screws before final tightening. Reinstall the plastic guard from step 3. It should slot into place and hold itself up. Once all the hardware is loosely installed, fully tighten all the screws and bolts for the skid plate and plastic guard. Side note, the Mishimoto skid plate includes 2 replacement thread inserts should any of the stock ones strip out. Lower the vehicle back down per OEM procedure, and this concludes the installation. If you're interested in purchasing an aluminum or titanium skid plate for your 2021 Plus BMW G80 M3, hit the first link down below in the description, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you all in the next one.